In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize related lists in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know how to reorder and organize related lists on a record, fine-tune which columns appear in each list, hide what you don't need, and, for admins, add custom related lists that pull data from other apps or functions. The goal is to make each record page show the most helpful context at a glance. Let's start by organizing the related lists themselves so the most important ones sit at the top. Open Zoho CRM and go to the module you want to adjust, like Deals, Accounts, or Contacts, then open any record in that module. On the Record Details page, click the More Options icon, the three dots, and choose Organize Module Details. In the Organize screen, you'll see two areas, Selected List and Unselected List. Move items between them to decide which related lists will appear on the record page. Then drag and drop inside the selected list to set the order. Click Save. From now on, when you view a record in that module, those related lists will appear in the exact order you chose, reducing scrolling and surfacing what matters first. Next, customize the columns inside a specific related list so the data is clear and concise. While viewing a record, scroll to the related list you want to refine, such as products or open activities. On the right side of that list's header, click the small arrow or drop-down. You'll see the available fields for that list. Select the fields you want, and unselect what you don't need. Save your changes, and the list will immediately update. For example, in a products-related list, you might show units, price, and category to keep the table focused and easy to scan. If the record page feels crowded, hide the lists you rarely use. Go back to Organize Module Details, move those items from the selected list to the unselected list, and save. This keeps the interface clean and helps your team focus on the related information that supports their day-to-day work. For more advanced needs, admins can add custom related lists that pull data from other apps or custom logic. On a record, click Add Related List. Choose whether you're bringing in data from custom apps, such as those built in Zoho Creator, or from functions using Deluge. Select or write the function that defines what data should appear, configure the arguments to filter or parameterize the results, and save. The Enterprise Edition supports up to 5 custom related lists per module. Because this involves scripting and integrations, it's typically handled by an admin or developer. With these options, you'll turn every record page into a focused, informative workspace tailored to your team's needs.